Okay, let's study. Let y equal to x square plus 4x plus c be the equation of a parabola. If we know that this parabola crosses the x-axis only at one point, what is the value of c? Okay, first of all, this equation is a quadratic equation. Quadratic equation means the variable has highest power 2. Okay, generally we can write it ax square plus bx plus c equal to 0. This is kind of a quadratic equation. However, if you look here, this problem can be understood very well. This is our equation, x square plus 4x plus c. This equation touches the x-axis. It didn't intersect, just touches x-axis at one point. Okay, so we have to find out the value of c. Let's consider again this equation. This is called quadratic equation, and it has two roots. The properties of a quadratic equation, it has two roots and maximum power 2. So two roots, coefficient a, b, and constant c. So a actually coefficient of x square, b is coefficient of x, and c is a constant term. So to calculate the root, we generally use an equation x equal to minus b plus minus root over b square minus 4ac divided by 2a. And if you look closely, you may know that this b square minus 4ac actually the main factor by which we can understand whether the root is positive or negative or equal or complex number. So this b square minus 4ac tells us the characteristics of the roots, and this is called discriminant. It is expressed by d, so d equal to b square minus 4ac. Okay, so until now I just talked about basics. Let's start the mathematics. If you know the basics, to do this problem is very easy. You don't need to think what I told until now. You just directly can go there and solve it. So those of you who forgot, or maybe long time you didn't study mathematics, so I just touches a little basics about it. So in this particular cases, in this particular equation, it is told that this equation actually touches x-axis. So whenever a quadratic equation touches x-axis, the discriminant becomes 0. And from this equation, we know a equal to 1 and b equal to 4. And c we have to find out. So let's do the calculation. B equal to, we found 4. So 4 square minus 4. Value of 1 is, a is 1 and c equal to 0. Therefore, we can calculate minus 4, c equal to minus 16. Therefore, c equal to 4. So our answer is 4. If you have any questions, please let me know. Next,